morning, students. Uh, Previous class I have told you about the mail march and table contents. So today again I will tell you about the mail march theoretically. Uh, if there is any problem, you just listen carefully. Okay. So mail merging means what? Mail merging means the same letter. Suppose you want to send the same letter to the more than one person, to more than one people, your friends, your colleagues, anyone. So for that you just have to change the address, and then you can send the name and address, and then you can send the same letter to more than one person. Okay, because if you are writing a letter to more than one person, then it will be a time taking process, no? So here in through the mail merge you can do it a very little time, within a short time you can do it. So for that, so it saves our time, energy, okay, to send letters to multiple addresses. Now here we need data source, main object, and merge field. Data source means what? Where we can get the data. Data means what? Like address, name, address. Suppose in a name, address, city, pin, all these are in a tabular form. So that is data source. So data source consists of mailing list. Next one is main document, where you write the main subject. Suppose you are writing a letter, then the subject that letter will be your main document. Next is merged field. Merged field, like whatever you have written in mailing list, like name, role, then address, city, then pin number, telephone number. Okay, so these are the merge fields, okay, which you have done in data source. So which instructs Microsoft Word where to insert the data. Suppose you have written a letter, and before later when you have to write insert the merge field, like title, first name, last name, all these things you have to enter at the top of the letter. Okay, so here you will bring your cursor, and then you can insert the merge field. These fields you can merge. So that means mail merge involves three things. First is creating a main document, that is a letter. For example, I am telling you a letter I have shown you in previous class in practical. And second one is specifying a data source, and third is merging the data source with the main document. Okay, now how will you create a mail merge document? For that, first you have to write a letter. So first you have to mailing tab. When you will open the Microsoft Word, you can see at the top mailing tab. So you have to click on the mailing tab, and then you have to click on the start mail merge group. Okay, start mail merge group. So when you will click on that, then click on the start mail merge. When you will click on that, then drop down arrow you will get, and from there you have to select step by step mail merge wizard option. Okay, then what you will do, then you can see on the right pane of your screen mail merge task will appear. Okay, so you have to select the letter from there, and then next at the bottom of that task pane you can see starting document. Next, starting document is written, so click on that starting document. So when you will click on that, then the current document you have to start. You can select the current document, or any previous document, suppose existing document. Okay, that you have to select, and then click on again next, select recipients. Here you will see recipients means addresses, name, mail, address, first name, last name, all these things you will see here. So you have to click on the either new entry list or existing list. If you want to create a new entry list, then you have to click on that, and if you have already addresses there, list is there, then you can select the existing entry list. So if you will click on the new entry list, then your dialog box will open. There you have to write the, at the bottom you can see customize is written. Okay, customize columns. So click on that customize column, then you can see that all things are written ready-madely. Which one you want to delete, select that and click on delete. Okay, so suppose there many things are like title, first name, last name, then address line 1, address line 2, and many things are written. So you just whatever you want according to your requirement, you leave it and click on OK. When you will click on OK, then save dialog box will open. There you have to write the name of that list, like address 1 or address list, anything you can write, and then click on the save option. So then address list will be saved and one dialog box will open. There you can see the tick like a structure. That means what? It is connected with your main document. Data source is connected with the main document because this is the requirement. You have to you have to create a relation between this data source and the later, that is main document. Then you can do the mail merge. So after that you have to click on the next. After saving, mail merge recipients dialog box will open. There you can see the text, and to change any detail, if you want to change any detail, suppose the data source means, I think you know that name, first name, last name, all these things. If you want to change anything, then you have to click on the edit button located under the data source box. Okay, and finally you have to click on OK to confirm. After that again you have to click on the next, then write your letter. Next, write your letter, this option will come. You have to click on that, and then you have to write the letter. Okay, now third step is inserting merge fields. So place the cursor wherever at the position where you want to insert the merge fields, like title, first name, last name, wherever you want to insert, you just click on that place, and then insert merge field dialog box will appear. You just suppose you have to click on the title, so click on the title, automatically title will come in your letter. Then suppose give the space and then click on the first name, insert merge field, click, and then click on the merge field, first name, automatically first name will come. Then give a space, again click on the insert merge field, and then last name, it will come. Go to the next line in your letter, and again click on the insert merge field. There you click the address line, then automatically address line will come. Okay, so this is the way inserting merge field. So after doing this, insert when the inserting will completed, then you have to finally view the merged data. Okay, so how will you do that? Click on the preview result button in the preview result group on the mailing tab. On the mailing tab at the top of the MS Microsoft Word on the screen, there you can see the next preview your letter, or you can see at the bottom of your task pane, right side bottom of the task pane, that there also you can see next preview your letter. So when you will click on that, then it will show you the letter. And if you want to see, suppose you want to edit anything, then you click on the edit individual. When you click on the edit individual, then each and every letter you can change whatever you want to change, you want to modify or update, then that you can do. Okay, so this is the way how will you merge the letter. That means you want to send a letter, a particular specific letter, to a more than one people. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you.